Hey everyone, this is Isaac. In this video I'm going to explain what Premiere Pro is, what it's used for, and quickly walk you through the main parts of the workspace, like the timeline, effects tab, and more. Let's get started. Premiere Pro is Adobe's professional video editing software. It's used by YouTubers, filmmakers, editors, and content creators to cut videos, add effects, color grade, and export high-quality projects. Basically, if you want to make a polished video, this is the software to do it. The program monitor is where you watch your edit in real time. It shows exactly what's happening on your timeline. Every cut, transition, and effect. This is your playback screen while editing. Down here, you've got the timeline, where you actually build your video. You can drag in clips, cut them, add transitions, music, and sound effects. It's basically your editing workspace. Every part of your video lives here. On the left side of the timeline is your toolbar. Here, you'll find all the main tools you use while editing, like selection tools, razor tool, rate stretch, pen tool, and more. Each one helps you manipulate clips in different ways. The effect controls panel lets you adjust settings for whatever clip you have selected. That's where you find things like position, scale, rotation, and opacity, and any effects you've applied. The effects tab is where all your video and audio effects live. You can find transitions, color presets, blurs, sharpening, and more, and drag them right onto clips in your timeline. The media browser. The media browser is how you import and organize your files inside Premiere. You can browse your folders, preview clips, and drag them directly into your project bin or timeline. And that's it. That's the basic layout of Premiere Pro and everything it does. Once you understand where things are, editing becomes way easier. Stay tuned for future videos where I will go through every Premiere Pro feature in more detail. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.